If you want to block YouTube in Google Chrome, there are several easy methods that can help you restrict access completely or reduce distractions while browsing. Many people block YouTube for productivity, parental controls, study focus, or screen time management. The good news is that you do not need advanced technical knowledge to do this. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to block YouTube in Google Chrome in 2026, step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome opens, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser window. A menu will appear on your screen. From there, move your cursor to Extensions and click Visit Chrome Web Store. This is where you can install browser tools that block websites directly inside Chrome. In the Chrome Web Store search bar, type Block Site or Website Blocker. You'll see several extensions designed to block websites and manage browsing restrictions. Choose a trusted extension with good ratings and many users. Open the extension page and click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome may ask for permission before installation. Click Add Extension to continue. After the extension is installed, open its settings page. Most blocking extensions allow you to create a custom list of blocked websites. In the Blocked Websites section, type youtube.com and save the changes. You can also add m.youtube.com if you want to block the mobile version as well. Once the settings are saved, try opening YouTube in Chrome. If the website is blocked or redirected, then the setup is working correctly. Some website blocker extensions also allow you to set schedules. For example, you can block YouTube only during work hours, school time, or study sessions. This is useful if you want controlled access instead of blocking the site permanently. Another useful feature available in some extensions is password protection. You can set a password so the blocking settings cannot easily be changed or disabled. This is especially helpful for parental controls or maintaining personal productivity goals. If you're blocking YouTube for children or family members, you can also use Google Family Link. Family Link allows parents to manage browsing activity, app usage, and website restrictions across devices connected to supervised Google accounts. Another method is blocking YouTube through your computer's network or router settings. Some internet routers allow website blocking directly from the router control panel. This method blocks YouTube for every device connected to the same Wi-Fi network, not just Chrome. However, the steps vary depending on the router brand and model. You can also combine YouTube blocking with Chrome's Safe Search and restricted browsing features for better content control. While these settings may not fully block YouTube, they can help reduce inappropriate or distracting content. If the blocking extension does not work properly, make sure Chrome is updated to the latest version. Click the three dots, go to Help, then select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if available. After updating Chrome, restart the browser and test YouTube again. If the website still opens, double-check that the extension permissions are enabled and that the website address was entered correctly in the blocked list. So that's the easiest way to block YouTube in Google Chrome in 2026. The main methods are installing a trusted website blocker extension, adding YouTube to the blocked websites list, setting schedules or passwords if needed, and testing the restrictions afterwards. Most users can block YouTube successfully within just a few minutes using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Chrome tutorials and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.